Okay, better late than never, and instead of having this wide open hole here, which is quite big when you're driving around and you don't want to take your hitch off, or if you're driving a lot with something behind here, you're gonna get a lot of debris and dust and stuff in here. So let's have a look at this cover. You can see I have my this cover on with the Towbar, and here you got the opening for the power, and this is just going to be here to stop all the water and sand coming in. And the hole around here is pretty tight, so there's not much space. I didn't bother to put on that silicone here because it doesn't really matter. Yeah, and basically what I did was make this template, and you can just put your cover upside down on some cardboard and just outline the whole cover, and then you cut it out, and all the measurements here I'm gonna give you in the end of the video. I get my markings out and then I cut it all out, and here I used the hole saw 67 millimeters and made one hole here and another one here. Then I just cut over the mark here, because you get a circular, you just cut straight over here and straight over here. Now on this one I also did the same here and another one down here, and you have to remove it completely down here because the lid is going down on the Model Y. This one is pretty easy to get off. You can just start prying it somewhere in the opening. So you can see here, I haven't sanded down the edges yet, but I will do that. So you can see this one, that's the opening required, and putting it on is also pretty easy. You just slide it on and clip it in. And if you do follow my template, you have to do the lower side like this first and then the upside. On the back side here, this is some silicone seal, which you can buy for many places, but you can also get them everywhere they have ventilation systems, like Megafleece, that kind of store. This is genomföring for a seal for a ventilation hole, and I just cut off the rubber. So basically when you have it open, the lid here is going on the outside, and that's going just under this one. The wire is going through this hole. That's why I make this slot in this silicone here, so the wire will go through there. You will put it on like this. Let me see, there's so much sunlight. And then you just put it on like this, and then you attach your electrical before you put on the cover. Alright, so this is the cover on with everything connected, and this is the power socket, and you can see those silicone flaps tightening around here.